The phone's biggest feature is what it refuses to open. Commodore, the computer name from the 80s, is back in a very 2026 way. A flip phone built around saying no to the feed. The reported device is called the Callback 8020. It is not trying to beat the biggest Android slab on speed. It is trying to make the distraction door harder to reach. The outside is familiar. Clamshell body, headphone jack, FM radio, removable battery, notification lights, and a small internal screen. The inside is stranger. Reports say it runs a customized Sailfish OS, with no normal browser, no social media, and no email by default. The company says apps can be reviewed for an allow list, but the point is clear. Essentials can pass. Endless feeds are supposed to hit a wall. That is why the price feels so unusual. A phone that starts around $499 is being sold not just for what it adds, but for what it removes. This is the reversal. For 20 years, premium phones meant bigger screens, smoother feeds, faster dopamine. The Callback sells the opposite fantasy, a pocket computer with the attention trap physically fenced off. The hard question is whether hardware can actually solve a habit. A blocked browser is still a design choice, not a cure. App support still depends on what really ships, what gets approved, and what users demand back. But the proof object is powerful. A retro clamshell priced like a serious device, making absence the headline. If the feed is the product, then this phone is trying to sell the missing door.